ahead, buddy. Let's open up the present from baseball. Rip it open, big guy. Rip it open. What'd you get? What'd you get? Open it. Rip that paper. What do you think it is, Ty? You think it's that? Ooh. Rip it, rip it. What is it, Bubba? It says it's an Airzuka. I think it's like a thing you can shoot at Ty. Does that sound pretty cool? Yeah, Ty? That's pretty cool. Hey, Loganator. Can you say, thanks, baseball?